If you're learning LangChain today, you've probably seen both agent.run and agent.invoke. But what's the difference, and which one should you actually use? Both methods execute an AI agent, but they belong to different generations of the LangChain API. Earlier versions of LangChain mainly used run, but newer releases have standardized around invoke for consistency.
The run method is simple. You pass a single string, and it returns only the generated response. Invoke takes a dictionary as input and returns a structured response, making it much more flexible. Run returns only the answer, while invoke gives you structured data that can easily be processed by your application.
Invoke supports structured inputs, richer outputs, and integrates seamlessly with the rest of the modern LangChain ecosystem.
LangChain uses invoke across chains, retrievers, tools, and agents, creating one consistent interface for everything.
Invoke works naturally with streaming, memory, callbacks, and production monitoring, making it ideal for real-world AI applications.
If you're maintaining older code, migrating from run to invoke is usually straightforward. Consistent interface.
If you're starting a new LangChain project today, use Invoke. It's the recommended API and the future of the framework.
Master modern AI development by learning the latest LangChain best practices. Subscribe to CodeCraft Academy for more hands-on AI tutorials.